Hi kids, welcome to IQ Test Hub. Today, we're going to have fun learning with reading comprehension for kids. Listen carefully, read along, and answer the easy questions at the end. Let's see how smart you are. The dog. The dog is a friendly animal. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, and a tail. Dogs guard our homes and help police catch thieves. They love to play and run. Many people keep dogs as pets. Dogs are loyal and love their owners very much. They eat meat, rice, and biscuits. A dog barks loudly when it sees a stranger. Now, quiz time. How many legs does a dog have? A. 2 legs. B. 4 legs. Answer is B. 4 legs. What do dogs do for our homes? A. They guard our homes. B. They disturb our homes. Answer is A. They guard our homes. What does a dog eat? A. Grass, plants and leaves. B. Meat, rice, and biscuits. Answer is B. Meat, rice, and biscuits. When does a dog bark? A. When it sees a stranger. B. When it sees a cat. Answer is A. When it sees a stranger. Are dogs loyal? A. No, they are not loyal. B. Yes, they are loyal. Answer is B. Yes, they are loyal. Great job, kids. You did amazing today. If you enjoy this reading comprehension, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IQ Test Hub for more fun learning videos. See you in the next story, inshallah. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching.